Let's take a look at Tkinter FileDialogs. So FileDialogs allow you to open a folder or file, even save a file using a graphical method in a GUI. So in Tkinter, that's especially easy. All you have to do is import the module, import tkinter.FileDialog as dialog, and let's say file dir1 is equal to dialog dot. As you can see, we have ask open directory, ask open file, ask open file name, ask open file names, ask open files, ask. It just goes on. So you could use all of these for different purposes. In this tutorial, I'm only going to be showing you ask directory, ask open file, ask save as file, and ask open files. So let's start off with ask directory. So as you can see, we have options here, but for now we're going to go with it as empty. And we've got a file dialog here. It's asking me to select a directory. So let me select this PC. We can't open that. Let's try and open music. Nothing happened. We haven't done anything with it, so we'll have to print it out. dir1 file dir1, run this. Okay, we're back here. Select folder, and then in our terminal we can see it's printed out the directory. So it does exactly the same even with others. So let's try ask open file. Let's run this. So it's asking me to open a file now. So if I go to pictures, as you can see, it automatically opens a directory using the open method, so that you don't have to reopen it with that function. So that's the ask open file. But let's run this again. As you can see, I can't select more than one file. I can only select a single file. That's when ask open files comes in. Run this. You can select multiple files. If I say open, I get a list. I get a list of two, in this case, 2 IO text wrappers for my files. So that's all for the Tkinter ask open files. What about save files? Yes. So ask save as file and save as file name. Let's try save as file. Run this. And as you can see, it's asking me to save something. Let me just say, and I get save as type. Unfortunately, I haven't added anything in this. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can find out all the arguments that can be passed with these file dialogs. But for now, we're going to leave all of them empty. So I can say file name, file.txt, and it's even opened a file here with mode W. So thanks for watching, everyone. And this is the last video of my tutorial series on graphical user interfaces with Python. And if you want more information on the graphical user interfaces with Tkinter, You can check out Python's documentation. Thanks for watching.